So it feels like spring outside. We got a lot of projects going on here in Smackey's garage. I figure it's a perfect time to walk through a bunch of the projects that are going on and showing you guys what's in progress in this shop. Now, since we're transitioning from winter to spring here in Massachusetts, the weather's getting much nicer. It's actually 50 degrees out right now. All the snow's melting and I can finally kick off some of the projects that I've been waiting for. I actually have about 10 different projects going on right now. It's just been keeping me extremely busy. So with that, let's go ahead and look at some of these projects. Now the projects are going to be things that are going on with my F-150, projects going on with the 1969 Mustang, as you can see here, projects going on with the Snowmobile, as well as talking about a lot of the projects that are going on in this garage separately. Now first, let's talk about the F-150. Bunch of things going on there. Now the first thing I'm testing out there is the Ronin drain plug. Now if you change oil in your F-150, you know that it actually does create a giant mess when you dump the oil out into the pan. It hits that crossbar on the bottom. It comes with a piece that you screw into the bottom and that you can attach a tube to or a hose to, and really helps you make sure that you're not getting oil all over the place when you drain your truck oil. Also on the truck, I'm starting to make some custom parts. So you can see here, this is a part that I've been developing. It's a piece for the center console holder. The current one from Ford is just one giant cavity, and I wanted something where I can fit my wallet and have separate sections for different things that I keep in my pockets, whether it's my AirPods, I take off my wedding ring when I drive, or my wallet, just a place that's a little bit more organized in the center. So I've been making this out of a TPU material, which is a lot more flexible. So I've been working through numerous prototypes there, and I've been working on this for actually a few months. It's just taken a lot of time. Also on the truck, I'm starting to look at different dash cams. I purchased the Mangold dash cam. I ended up with, I think, the Type B, because that's the one that works with my truck. So with that, we're gonna see how it performs looking at front and rear. It's a front 4K, rear 1080p. We'll check those out. We'll see how it performs, how it compares against the Garmin one that I'm currently running now. Now for my 1969 Mustang behind me, you can see I have coilovers and everything here on the bench. I have the car all apart. I need to make some custom parts to make everything fit. These plates here for coilovers are too thick, or actually they're just right on the hairy edge. So I've been prototyping and testing out some different parts. These are 3D printed. I actually had some made from Send Cut Send. They're on their way here now. So this install is gonna be coming up on this car very shortly. I need to finish taking some of the car apart. I need to put everything back together, and I need to make sure the custom parts that I designed and built fit. My goal was to make something that looks close to as strong, but it isn't as thick as this one that comes with the strut tower brace kit, mainly because you need a clearance for these coilovers to work in that car. So that's coming up too. On the Snowmobile, I've taken it out a few times. It's been running well. There's definitely some projects that I still have to do. I've noticed after it sits for a week, the engine gets flooded. I don't know if it's with oil or with gas, and it's hard to start, hard to turn over. I don't want it all to leak through over the summer when it's sitting around, so I need to take the carburetors apart, clean it, try to figure out what's actually happening to it. But overall riding, it's been great so far this year. Bunch of small rides, been working well. I also need to do brakes in both of the Snowmobiles. So one of them, my friend's Snowmobile, the ZX chassis, it needs a little bit of brake work. It's probably running low on fluid, and it's definitely feeling a little bit more spongy after sitting. And mine, they're working well, but I want to change out the fluid, check the pads and everything on them. Then in the garage, you'll probably notice I'm running out of room for tool storage. I'm running out of room to do a lot of the projects. So I'm getting more organized in here. I need to buy another tool chest for up front there. They're just having one tool chest, and the workbench over there just isn't enough space. So I'm looking at what a good option is. I think I'm gonna get the Harbor Freight US General Series 3 72-inch one. I wanna compare that to the Series 2 one that I have here, so that's probably upcoming. And I need to get a lot more organized because, it's when you're more organized, it's easier to find things and it's easier to get your projects done. And then something else you'll probably notice is the video quality, the lighting and everything in here has all been upgraded. So the system that I'm using now for my videos definitely looks a lot better, and it definitely performs a lot better, and it's making it easier for me to edit videos, making sure that everything comes out well. So with this, it's gonna be better for the viewer, and it's easier for me to edit. So looking forward to getting all that set. But finally getting a lot of the upgrades that I needed in here now that it's been winter time to get everything more straightforward, more organized, and look better for kind of the production that we do in here. Well, that's it for all the projects that are going on. Definitely a lot going on in the Mustang, the truck, the Snowmobile, and the Audi needs some work. So definitely going to be a busy spring. Thanks for tuning in to Smackey's Garage. I'll see you next week.